It is here from Amazon. What is it? Whoa, I've been waiting for this. I got it overnight, so I didn't wait long. It is the Stream Deck Plus from Elgato. Very nice packaging. Sturdy. It's like the hard cardboard. It's not like the soft shit. Let's check it out. Woo! I mean, check this box out. This thing is sturdy. Sturdy. Came bubble wrapped. Look at that, that's cool. Can't see, but it's actually see-through. There you go. There's some cords in here. Yep. Got a nice little felt over it. Oh, this thing is much heavier than I thought it was gonna be. It's sturdy, to say the least. Attenuator knobs. Clicks seem good. The LCD screen. What the hell? It wasn't pushed in all the way. I just pushed it in. Kind of made me nervous. Surprised there's no peel stick from that, but there's not. I guess it comes with the felt over it is why. Yeah, man. Okay, so this cable is like wired, like braided, so it's like the tough cable. Let's see how long it is. I mean, it's about 5 foot. Yeah, about 5 foot. Nice. Let's check out what's in here. This thing. User manual. Couple user manuals. Yeah. Here you go. It's definitely sturdy. I'll do a follow-up video on functionality.